guys, it's Amanda. Today I wanted to share my take on the glass skin trend, which is just making your skin look super translucent and dewy and flawless essentially, which I definitely don't have naturally. So I have 5 steps that I use to achieve the look. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I am here with a bare, freshly cleansed face, which leads me to step number 1, which is to make sure that your cleanser isn't overly drying out your skin. Personally, I've been really enjoying cleansing oils, and I've been using the one by Boscia, which is their Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. And the reason why I like oil cleansers so much is, 1, I am super lazy, so I use this at night mostly, and it removes all of my makeup, my eye makeup, my face makeup, even my super impossible, hard to remove waterproof mascara is removed by this, which is super amazing. It also is a lot less drying, and it kind of keeps oils, the natural oils in your face, and kind of replenishes those, which is super, super, super important if you have combination dry, sensitive skin. And if you have oily skin, you can actually look into oil cleansers. Definitely don't just like exit out, because like dissolves like, so oil cleansers can help to reduce acne. If you're using the right one, just make sure you do your research and you know what oils your face is sensitive to. Step number 2 is to tone, and I use the Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner. This is like my HG toner that I have come across so far, and I love it. Toning definitely is essential if your skin is sensitive or dry, or you're just trying to target certain things. Definitely look into different types of toners, but when you're toning, make sure that you always swipe away from the face, and it just helps to make sure that your skin is freshly prepped and ready for whatever products you put on after that. Step number 3 is to moisturize, and I have been loving the Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask. This stuff is like heavenly, because my face was breaking out and like scaling and like peeling off when I got back from Berlin, because it had a reaction to a primer that I used, and it was bad. And this was a lifesaver. I use this actually as a day and night cream, and I like to apply it with a little bit of camellia oil mixed in. And I got this off of Amazon, and together this just really helps to create that like ethereal glow to my face. It also helps it stay really hydrated. So I just apply a little bit of the vitamin E mask with 1 drop of the camellia oil and apply it onto both my face and my neck, because your neck actually ages the same rate as your face. The only downside to the vitamin E mask is that it can be a little bit pricey. It's almost 30 USD depending on where you get it, but Wishtrend is actually going to be having this as a promo during their Black Friday sales, so definitely check it out if you're interested. I'm probably going to get it back up. I always check out Wishtrend's Black Friday sales because it always involves free shipping, which I am all about. Step number 4 is to apply a luminizing primer, and this stuff is amazing. It's one of my favorites. It's the Misha BB Boomer, and it has like a pearlescent finish, so it really helps to luminize the skin and give it that ethereal effect, which is totally what we're going for. Finally, step 5 is to apply a dewy foundation or a cushion that will give you that really nice glow. And I've been testing out the Moonshot Micro Fit Cushion, and I'm just going to apply a light layer of this using a damp sponge, because the damp sponge is just going to give you that extra glow, which is what we're trying to retain here. I think the glass skin trend looks really pretty on its own, or with some light neutral makeup like I have here. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what tips you guys have for glass skin, or if you tried it, or if you're not interested, let me know. And definitely give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more, so we can be friends forever. And I will see you guys later. Bye!